Or close your Call of Duty account. Hey guys, welcome back to another In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can delete your Call of Duty account. In order to delete your Call of Duty account, first thing first, make sure that you have verified your email address and also make sure that your account is up to date. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and then log in into your account by entering the link that is Call of Duty. So don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave it on the description box below as well. So once you type in the link, make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to your profile icon. From the drop down menu, select basic info. Now this is going to take you to the profile information page, and in the left hand side bar, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now over here, you'll be able to see all of your information. Once again, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an article as deactivate activation account and Call of Duty game associated. So if you want to delete your account, press on the link that is privacy and data protection. This is going to take you to the support center page. Now you begin with the deletion process. If you already have submitted the deletion request, then you need to click on check my status. Or if you have not submitted any request, then click on submit a new request. As soon as you've done that, go through all of these statements. Now these are all the statements regarding deletion of your account. So go through it and then select the country of your residence. After that, make sure to mark on this I've read the above terms and confirm the eligibility, and click on proceed to privacy and data protection portal, which is right at the bottom. Now once again, it's going to direct you to the support center page. Scroll down a bit. Now you'll need to select the request type. Since your request type is delete your personal information, so click on it and then you'll need to select what you actually want to delete. Now in our case, we're deleting Call of Duty account. So in order to delete your account, you need to provide in your player ID and then UID and a privacy ID as well, and mark on this box that is I'm not a bot and click on a continue button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to the other interface where you'll be able to see that the request has been successfully submitted, and all you need to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So in this way, you can delete your Call of Duty account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.